Let's have a flight over a lighthouse. Okay, we're just at Tynemouth and we're going to have a little flight around the lighthouse, hopefully. Well, the drone is. You ready? Okay. Oh, forgot the camera. Alright, well that was just a little flight around the lighthouse again. Did an orbit or two of that. Very windy. So I came back and flew over the Priory. And then I seen a little boat over there, so chanced it and had a chase of that. And then came back very low, hopefully avoiding the wind. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, got back safe. So hopefully if you enjoyed that, give us a like. Leave a comment as well. And if you want, share with a friend. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Okie doke, catch you later. Let's have a flight over a lighthouse.